Welcome to the CISE REU Evaluation Toolkit. This demonstration video is the first in a series of 4 instructional demonstrations designed to orient you to the resources and tools available. In this orientation video, I will highlight key resources and tools provided in the toolkit. The toolkit has been developed in an ongoing conversation with the CISE REU PI community. The assessment work group of 2009 thought that the community could benefit from a set of standardized yet flexible evaluation tools. The website you see here is essentially designed as a program evaluation cookbook, specifically addressing the context of the CISE REU programs. While this toolkit is sponsored by the National Science Foundation, none of these tools are required. The intent, rather, is to serve as a guide for managing your site evaluation and to help catalyze your individual site assessment. A benefit for deploying these tools, each of which, again, are voluntary, is that they contribute to the overall knowledge of undergraduate research program outcomes within our CISE community. The resources contained within this toolkit provide you with a how-to for conducting your site evaluation. Step 1, when you receive site funding, is to apply for human subjects research compliance at your institution. This is a critical first step since you'll be evaluating your student participants. Some institutions may consider the evaluation component to be in the exempt status category, but you'll still need to submit an application to your research compliance office. A sample is provided here to help you build your site IRB. Step 2 is establishing program goals. The toolkit provides you with an overview of program evaluation and program goal setting that is tailored to CISE REU sites. Step 3 is recruiting students. The Common Application and Shared Applicant Pool are two tools designed to facilitate the recruiting process. The Common Application is perhaps a bit of a misnomer. It's not a singular application where a student can apply to multiple sites, but rather it's a set of common questions that were found across all CISE REU programs. They've been integrated into a standardized application form for each site to deploy. It's customizable. The Shared Applicant Pool is an aggregate pool of the site applicants that were not selected at other sites, and they've agreed to be shared across the community. Detailed instructional videos for both the Common Application and its corresponding Shared Applicant Pool are provided in a separate demonstration. Step 4 is data collection and analysis, for which you may find the a la carte student survey very helpful. This survey tool is described in another demonstration video. However, I would like to point out to you that in 2014 there are 3 new additional modules that have been added to the survey. It's called a la carte because it's modular. You can select any of the modules or all of the modules for deployment at your institution. Methodology and analysis procedures that you might want to deploy. The reporting section provides you with tools and sample reports on how to convey the outcomes that you find at your site. Results from CISE REU Toolkit usage are the slides and presentations presented at each CISE REU PI meeting annually. The 2014 presentation is being uploaded as we speak. And lastly, but not least, you'll have noticed that the Give Feedback button is on every page of the toolkit. This is because it is incredibly important to continue the conversation within the CISE PI community to make sure that these tools are useful and beneficial to each site. The Give Feedback survey is short and sweet, and you can provide information about any and all tools. You're also welcome to contact me, Audrey Rohr, directly with your suggestions and ideas. Thank you very much. I look forward to working with you as we assess the CISE REU program.